Hello everyone and welcome to Math Chem SolveBox. Can you solve this exam style rectangle problem? Most students can calculate the perimeter. Many students can solve for the unknown. But a lot of students lose marks on the final step. Let's see if you can get the correct answer before the end of this video. Now let's solve it step by step. Here a rectangle is given with length 2x meter and width 5 meter. X is unknown. The perimeter of rectangle is 42. We have to write an equation to find the value of this unknown x. Now remember, the perimeter means total distance around the shape. So for a rectangle, the perimeter is 2x this side plus another side which is 2x plus 5 and the last side which is also 5, and the perimeter is 42. Now we will combine the like term. So 2x plus 2x equals 4x and 5 plus 5 10, which is equals 42. Now to get the equation for x, we will shift 10 on the other side of equation like this. 4x plus 10 minus 10, subtracting 10 on both sides, and finally 4x equals 32. Again, to get x, we will divide by 4 on both sides. So 4x divided by 4, 32 by 4. And 4 divided by 4, 32 divided by 4 is 8. The x equals 8. The value of x is 8, but don't stop here. Many students do and lose marks in the exams. The question will ask for the area. So to get area, first we will calculate the length. Length is 2 times x. Here x is known. So 2 times x is 8. The length is 16 meter. Now we have to calculate the area. So area is length times width. So L is 16 meter and width is 5 meter. And finally area of rectangle is L times W, which is area is 16 meter. This is 16 meter times width, where width is 5 meter. Area is 16 times 580 and m meter square. Here, so finally, exam tip, always check, did the question ask for the value of x, or did it ask for a final measurement such as area, length, or any other thing? Many students find x and stop, but always check the last part of the question statement. You have to find area or any other thing. Examiner often reward the final mark only after you substitute your answer back into the shape. So this is 5 meter, and now 2x times is 2 times 8, which is 16 meter, 16 meter, 5 meter. And the tip number 2 is, in the final answer, check the units. Here answer is 80 meters here, and this is the unit for area. So always mention unit in the answer. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. I will see you in next video with next and other topic.